Hello, viewers all over the world. I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as a GONS, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. So let's consider the next episode, which is episode what? 38. It said the sum of an arithmetic progression, AP, is a what? 561, 561, a full stop. If the first and the last term are 2 and 100 respectively, find the what number of terms. Episode 38, it said the sum of an arithmetic progression, which is what AP, is what 561 full stop. If the first and the last term are 2 and what and 100 respectively, find the what number of what terms. Exercise, the first exercise, or the first question under the exercise, the sum of the terms of an AP is 40, full stop. If the first term of the AP is 5 and its number of terms is 4, find its last term. And the answer to this very question is 15. The answer to this very question is 15. So let's go. Okay? Okay. So as usual, we'll start by saying analysis. Okay, analysis. So analysis and a solution. Okay, this question is from what? AP. AP, AP, that's arithmetic progression. So there's a topic we call a AP and a GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. But this question is from AP. And here we are asked to what? Calculate. Already this is what the question is involves sum of AP. Involves sum of AP. Because of limited time, we might not go through how to generate or prove the sum of AP, but we can equally give the formula. We can equally give the formula of how to resolve a question involving sum. Now we are told that the sum of an AP, which is an arithmetic progression, is this. That is 561 full stop if the first and last term. So in AP, the sum we can generate it into form. The form the sum of AP can be expressed in two ways. Okay. Now, but with this question, we are given the first and the last term, and the first is 2, and the last term is 100. So from form, the formula to resolve this kind of a problem where the first and last term are given. And here we are now asked to calculate the number of terms. So from what? From the sum, which we can equally say sum equals to n over 2, open bracket, this is A, the first term, plus L, which is the last term. And here we are given that A is what? Which is the first term. Look at it, the first is 2. And the last, which is the last term, is 100, which we can also represent by L. Then we are asked to calculate N. Okay, and first of all, the sum, which is this, is 500, and so sum equals to 561. Then also N, so we don't know N. Is N we are expected to calculate, because we are asked to find the number of terms, and this is the formula. So all we need to do here is to substitute all these values into this formula. Okay, the sum is 5. That is 561, which represents the sum, equals N. N is not given, which is N over 2. Open bracket, our A is our 2, plus our L is 100. L is 100. Okay, our L is 100. Okay, if we have substituted all these values into this what formula. So let's bring here. Okay, so what do we do? Now look up. Here we can we say which implies this is a 561, which is the sum, equals n over 2 open bracket. Okay, this is 2 plus 100 will give us 102. Okay, 102, of which we can use these two to divide the 102, which implies 561 equals, okay, this 2 into 102, that's 2 into 102 will give you what? Will give you 51. So automatically you are now having my word 51n. Okay, 2 into 10 will give you 5. 2 into 2 will give you 1. So that is 51 times n give us 51n. Okay, so you can equally do it like this. So 51n equals to what? 561. Okay, so at this juncture, yes, you can now divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 51. So here now, which implies 51n all over 51 equals to what? 561 all over 51. Okay, all over 51. Yes. Then dividing both sides now, let's see. So therefore now, 51 will cancel 51 to be left with n equals to 51 into 561. Let's see. That is what? 561 divided by what? 51. Okay, so I think that one will give us 11. So you discover that our answer is 11. So the number of times, so find the number of times. The number of times is 11 because our n is 11. When we use a 51 to divide a 561, we have what? 11. And that is the answer to this question. It's no more than that. So take note. I just it. So please, if you want me to take you on any topic, I've given you my, WhatsApp number in a previous episode. That's episode 37. So you can call me or you WhatsApp me if you want me to take you on any topic. Because here we are solving on past questions, so we may not have time to really, explain in details or prove any, formula. So that is just it. But this is the formula to resolve this kind of problem. So that is just it.